Hello, my name is Liza, and today I'd like to share with you how I created my candy corn soap dispensers for my kitchen. I had been looking for actual candy corn dispensers, and I could not find them anywhere within a reasonable price, so I made my own. At DollarTree, I found this clear hand soap, so I got that bottle, and I removed the label, and it came off fairly easy and cleanly. They did not have clear dish soap, so at Target I found it for 99 cents, the same size bottle. And this one, however, the label was terrible to get off, but of all things I used hand sanitizer, and that's what how I cleaned off the glue. I made some pencil drawing candy corns on some white cardstock. And then I colored them in candy corn colors using alcohol markers, which are basically just Sharpie pens. And I used this because they actually bleed through the paper, and I was able to flip over the paper so I could color in the reverse side, and I had like the markings where the colors needed to be. I did that also with the yellow. As you can see, I did go over the lines, but it doesn't matter because we will be cutting them all out individually. Once they were all cut out, and I also didn't do anything with the white because obviously I used white paper. I took a piece of scrap paper and I traced my bottles onto the paper, and this is just to give an idea of where the candy corns are going to be placed. I laid my laminating folder down over the drawing and then inserted the candy corns into the folder, and just making sure that it stayed within the boundaries of the drawing of the bottle. After it went through the laminating machine, I just traced around the outer edges of the candy corns, being careful not to cut into them because I wanted to keep them in one piece. I inserted the laminated folder that I had cut into the bottle, and now it actually looks like my candy corns are floating. The plastic is kind of stiff from the laminate, but you can curl it and it will uncurl itself pretty easily. And I really think that it came out cute. I also used some some pony beads from DollarTree, and I'm going to be making a tag, and with the help of my Cricut and some cereal box chipboard, I cut out some candy corn pieces, and also out of cardstock for the colors. I did use the Cricut to write my words, but later on I'll tell you what happened. Using some glue, I just layered all the chipboard pieces. I usually try to make both sides be the clear, no print side, and then in between you can kind of see all the chipboard, but yeah, it makes it nice and solid, and it's almost like a wood piece. Then I used my white and yellow pieces so I could draw some lines because I want the edges to also be the candy corn color, so I just painted around the edges the white, orange, and the yellow. Then I assembled my candy corns. Here you can see this is what actually the Cricut wrote, but I chose the wrong pen, and when I added my dishwasher safe Mod Podge to the outside of it to keep it like more waterproof, it smeared. So I used stamps, and I just stamped out my hand soap and my dish soap. And then I added my pony beads and some ribbon, and I hung my tags from each bottle so we'd know which soap was which. And then I wanted to continue decorating that cauldron that I had, so I took a DollarTree witch hat, made it candy corn colors, ombre, and some of those little witch clips, and I just added them to the hat. And I also used some of the fabric just to cover up a lotion bottle and a candle. And this is how I set it up in my Target Bullseye's Playground cauldron. And here it is in my kitchen. Quarantino and I hope you enjoyed our little project. If you did, please give our video a thumbs up. Leave us a comment. As always, if you aren't already subscribing, please consider doing so. Quarantino and I will be back again soon with another project. Thanks for watching. Take care.